Magandang umaga. Meron kaming project na matindi. First class ang materyales. Tatagal daw ang aming kubo ng 10 hanggang 50 years. Pag 50 years na, magpapalit na kami. But anyway, we have a second video on this one once it's done. These materials used are pretty much within the property that we saved from clearing the area. So that's the good thing about it. So ito ang aming mga best guys. Oh, hi! Oh, mag-ano kayo ha, mag-subscribe kayo sa YouTube ko. Oh, ito na may isa nagpapamangki-mangki. Pamangki-mangki lang ah. Si Justin o si ano yan, Alvin? Okay. All right, and these two. Okay, these two are Alvin the Chipmunks. My God. Alam niyo 'yon? Okay, God bless everybody.